Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot K-16 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this is one of the brand new houses that we just built in Carteret. We'll take a look out from the front real quick. We've got these opposing steps. There's outside water and electric to this house. Now we'll take a look inside. You can walk in. You see that this kitchen, this whole house is super bright. Now that summer's coming, I think it's gonna look, amazing with the brighter days and warm weather. Here we'll take a look outside. You can get to see the rest of the neighborhood there. So this house has all stainless steel appliances, all with warranties through the manufacturer. Here is the refrigerator. You can see the Backsplash subway tile. This is the dishwasher. You can get a better view of that subway tile backsplash. Here we also have the laminate countertops. And the cabinets that you see are, they have adjustable shelving. You can see the microwave right above the stove oven combination. This house also comes with full vinyl flooring throughout. There's also thermal pane windows, and that helps a ton in making this house energy efficient and Energy Star certified, which will benefit greatly because it helps to keep the cold air in during the summer and the warm air in during the winter. Here we have the furnace, which is responsible for the forced hot air and central air conditioning. Here is the bathroom. Got a window right here, shed some light in here. It's the toilet. Laminate countertop in here as well. This is a one-piece fiberglass shower. Got 2 seats in there, the double bypass doors. Here is the second entrance. We'll take a look from the outside here. And now we'll take a look at the electrical panel. This is 100 amps, just like any other regular house. And right across from it, you have where you could put a stackable washer and dryer. And here is the bedroom. Stand in this corner so you can get a feel for how large this room is. Right here you have the closet that runs the length of the wall here. Behind that little panel is the whole house shutoff valve. And this is the Energy Star certification. You also have 2 extra screens that we give you here. Now we'll take a look up from the other side of the closet. And right behind this door, you have the water heater. And this is a 40-gallon water heater. So if you're interested in this house or any other house that we have listed, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you some emails on where to learn more, and will get you updates on any new listings that we have. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You can take the train from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building. I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.